Best Asian, Maison Moi Nan, the 10 best restaurants in Fez, Morocco. Courtesy of Maison Moi Nan, official. When tagines and couscous become a bit monotonous, treat your palate to a completely different flavor spectrum at Maison Moi Nan. This Medina gem serves authentic Thai food with a focus on homestyle recipes from the north of the country, prepared by owner, chef, and fashion designer Anan Sorsutham. Expect richly flavorful curries, soups, and noodle dishes, including iconic staples like tom yum and pad thai, all prepared with fresh ingredients sourced from the local markets. Vegetarians do well at Maison Moi Nan, too, with delicious meat-free options like vegetable green curry and lemongrass tofu. The restaurant's tranquil rooftop complements the mouthwatering cuisine, providing a cool space for dining, stargazing, and listening to the muezzin's call floating across the city. A variety of local beers and wines are served at Maison Moi Nan.